Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. Today we're going to be doing a package that I just ordered from Amazon. Just came in this morning. Alright, so what I'm planning to be doing is doing a lot of traveling. I'm hoping in here is my travel package. Come and see what I chose to go for traveling, and then this will basically be starting my new adventure.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Just check to see if you're subscribed. Don't forget to put the little bell in so you'll know when a new video of mine is coming out. Thanks again for your support. Okay, this might be a little overkill. Usually on these things there's some kind of, oh look at that, easy care. Don't even need a knife. And this has everything to do with my dogs. Right here. It's called a waterproof car bench seat cover. Now I have leather seats in my Lexus and I wanted to find a better way to protect them. Not that they've damaged the seat, but I think this would make it more comfortable as I've been driving a lot, kind of checking things out on my own. And it has all kinds of like seat anchors. It says on here waterproof material, Velcro closure for seat buckles, non-slip backing. I just think they would be more comfortable. This one here, I'm going to have to make a separate video on this one. I just wanted you to see the unboxing and I will show you how I do this. So we'll put this one away. So what we're going to attempt to do is to put in the waterproof car bench seat cover, which means I have to push the car back outside again and see if I can figure this out, because we're taking a trip. A couple days with the dog. Probably go to Vacaville, Sacramento, fun stuff. Now this is not an expensive one. I don't even think I spent $50 on it. So these are the instructions. And it also has additional, like it tells you where to hold it. You're basically creating a box for your dog. So what I did first, over here, I stuck this around here and around that one. And then this over here, and they're all adjustable. I stuck there like that, so that part is done. And on this one here, I'm putting it up here. Of course, it doesn't quite fit. And the reason why is for some reason that you have to do it manually. I'm just going to tell you that you really should read directions. I took a look at the front, and you see how this is all padded? I sort of have padding, but I have more padding on this side, so I have it backwards. So it makes sense, because this portion here has got rubber that prevents slippage. And you can see that these is like waterproof to protect your seats. So then you take that one and you put it up here, and you take the last one and you put it around the headrest. Okay, so this wraps up along the edge of this handle here. I have to adjust this a little better. These zip up a little bit more, so I'm going to adjust that some more. See how you have a zipper right here, like that. I'm going to bring down that, and what it does is it kind of gives them a nice encapsulated area for your dog to be safe in. So you see now, what you have inside here is you have a box. Now these can be adjusted, and I will be adjusting these tighter. And because they're back here, they won't bother my neck. And I can tighten these tighter too. Now I haven't figured out what to do with these straps here. You have additional straps that you can use. It took some doing, but I was able to understand that these, actually this one could go a little bit down, a little bit more. The next thing I'm doing is going to tighten up the top here. You see this where I'm pulling up and down on both sides, and then I'll do the rear, and it should be ready for the dogs. Okay, I had it right the first time. This is the actual picture. It says it's waterproof material with storage pocket. Okay, a very small pocket. Velcro closure for seat and belt cover buckles. What that means is right over here, you see, right here, you have a place. This opens up so that you can take your dog cover, your dog thing, clip here, and keep your dog safe. I gotta buy another one for the other side. I know I have one someplace.
And I tightened up the ones over here on both the passenger side. You can see the door is open over there. So when I get in, I never come from this side. I always come from this side. Dogs are used to it. I'll be able to just quickly take this down on both sides. You can see I can even do it with the camera on. Well, and then they can come out through the corner here or something like that. Or I can unclip it. These are very, very sturdy clips and they're very, very hard to depress, but that's okay, it works. So I think for us, for the dog, it's going to be fine. They're going to lean on this a little bit, but they're not going to be able to. And for the price that I paid it, it's going to be fine. I'll give you the price in the comments section. And I've been doing this without the dogs. I have been buckling them up, but this is just another layer of protection. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you have dogs, you do get this product. Yeah, I didn't comb my hair this morning. And I'm getting ready to go on my little trip, just locally. I'm just trying to find ways to make it easy for me. Yes, I drive a Lexus. It's my treat. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye now.